Diesel locomotives were making a name for themselves in American rail yards throughout the 1920s and 30s. After the success of the M10000 and Pioneer Zephyr streamliners on the main line, railroads naturally wanted to test their worth even more. In response, General Motors' Electromotive division went about creating the EMD FT in 1939. Utilizing an A and B unit setup, it followed the streamlined aesthetic of their E-series as designed by Leland Knickerbocker. The FT contained a 12-cylinder EMD 567 prime mover with a single A unit producing 1,350 horsepower. The full ABBA set produced an impressive 5,400 horsepower and 228,000 pounds of starting tractive effort, rivaling and surpassing that of steam locomotives. Demonstrator set number 103 toured the country over the course of 11 months, easily handling any freight train it was given. Railroads were impressed by its cost-effective nature, efficiency, reliability, speed, and ease of maintenance, and it convinced many that diesel power was indeed the future. Orders began pouring in from several Class I railroads between 1940 and 45, but none were more eager than the Santa Fe, who ordered 320 FTs. The success of the unit permitted EMD to build a line of successors that improved upon horsepower, traction motors, and electronics. From the F3 onward, the series became dual service with the option of passenger gearing and steam heating. EMD had firmly established itself as a dependable manufacturer, and with many railroads beginning to fully dieselize, the timing couldn't be better for the F7. 2,393 A units and 1,463 B units were built between 1949 and 53, with the unit becoming an icon of American railroading. The series also earned the affectionate nickname of Covered Wagon due to the curved roof resembling that of a canvas roof on a Conestoga wagon. The last of the F units arrived between 1956 and 60 with the FL9, built exclusively for the New Haven Railroad. Based upon the FP9, this dual-mode unit had a larger steam generator and was equipped with a third rail contact chute to use electric power in and around Grand Central Terminal and Penn Station to avoid polluting the terminal with diesel fumes. F units could be found in regular mainline freight service up until the late 1970s when hood units took over thanks to better visibility, higher horsepower, and newer technology. But some found extended careers on short lines. As for passenger trains, Amtrak had retired most of their F units by the late 70s in favor of newer and more reliable models, and Metro-North retired their last FL9 in 2009. Some F units persisted even longer, being assigned to prestigious business train duties. Over 80 years later, the venerable F unit can still be found running freight trains on short lines or living out retirement in museums. For decades, the F unit has been a staple of the model railroading scene, with many starter sets featuring the titular streamliner. They're symbolic of mid-20th century America. With the F unit's versatile nature and long-lasting legacy, they readily fit into several eras of railroading, namely the ever-popular transition era. Model Train Stuff hosts a wide inventory of beautifully detailed F units from your favorite manufacturers. Whether you're looking to start your model railroad empire with an F unit train set or expanding your 1950s diesel roster, we've got what you need. Start your model railroading journey today at modeltrainstuff.com and check out our Facebook and Instagram pages for new product updates, sales, and all things trains.